Hey guys, welcome to our channel Knowledge Live. Today in this video, we are going to design this simple flange by using the SolidWorks Revolve tool. In your screen you can see this is the model that we are going to design in this video. So let's open a part first. Click on the new, click on the part and go for OK. You can see here the unit is millimeter gram second, no need to change. So I'll select here front plane and go for the sketch. I'll take line here and I'll start it like this. I'll start from first. I will make a center line which is like this. You can convert it into construction geometry. Now I will take a line and I'll make the sketch which is like this. I'll start from this point. So I'll just try to create the revolve profile as it is. Go like this, 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 and go like this, and just make it closed. Now first go for the dimension. First I will give this dimension having this 38. Now we'll be giving other dimension as well. First I will give this diameters. Already I have explained how to give the various types of dimensions. The link has given in the description box. If you want you can go and you can study those videos also. So I'll just give here dimension here from here to here, having the diameter which is 39. In the same way I'll be giving for this from here to here, having the diameter 52. From here to here I'll be giving the dimension from here to this, having the diameter which is 50. In the same way I'll be giving here dimension which is 9. First I will give the dimension here. So click on this, give the dimension here 20. I'll adjust it here a little bit. Now go for the dimension once again and give the dimension for this here 3 mm. So for this having the dimension 3, for this having the dimension here 2, and for this having the dimension which is 9. Now you can see here still it's not fully defined. The reason is we need to give some other dimension also. For this you can see having the diameter from here to here, (124), and for this having the diameter 61. You can give the value here 61. Next for this having the diameter 88. Now you can see you can give the value here 88. Now I will just do here one thing. I'll make it this and this. I'll keep it in the horizontal. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined. So come out from the sketch, go for the tool called revolved and make it revolved 360 degree. Just go with the OK. Now you can see here your flange is looking like this. Now I'll just take a plane which is having the angle 45 degrees. So click on this reference plane. I'll choose here the front plane and the right plane. Now you can see exactly it's generating one plane, but I will just flip the directions. So I'll flip it. Just go with the OK. Now I'll just take sketch on this plane. I'll go with the revolve operations. Click on the sketch, make it normal to the plane. You can see here the position of this they have defined. So I will just take a line here, make line, and just go with this, which is like this. I'll draw the half portion. I'll just extend this. Okay. Click on the extend here and just click on this. Now you can see here. Okay, this part I will trim. Actually it has to be like continuous line, not center line, so we'll convert this into continuous line. Now I will go for the dimension there. So I'll give the first dimension from this corner point to this origin. I'll be giving the horizontal dimension, which is 58. Now you can see there they have given the diameter 10. So I'll give here this as 5. So click on this and give the value here 5. Now we need to define here one height. So they have given the height from here to the center portion having the height 15. So I'll give their height is 15. Still this is not getting fully defined. There is having certain reason that it's not getting fully defined. So I need to give here one angle also. This and this edge having the angle of 45 degree. Now you can see here this portion is getting fully defined. Now just let it be like this. I'm not going to make this portion fully defined, just leave it like this. So come out from the sketch and go for the tool here once again called revolve, and I'll be doing the revolve along this axis. Now just come out from go for OK. Now you can see this portion is like this. Now you can do one thing, click on this face and go for sketch. Take a circle, start from here anywhere like this and give the diameter. Having the diameter of this circle 3 mm, so I'll be giving here 3. And you can see here this is not concentric, so click on this circle and this edge, give the relation here concentric and go with the OK. Then exit from the sketcher, go for the extruded cut and give the cut and just go with the OK. And if you want, you can hide the planes here. This plane I don't want right now, I can hide it. So guys, hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.